friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn something new, that is how to make a atomic structure. So these are the electrons, and these are the neutrons, and these are the protons. Okay, now as I have made from dough, means atta, and I have painted, as you can see, and these all, because if you have clay you can do it from that also. Now, and if we have to join the atomic structure, means the molecules, so we'll join it with this string. Okay, so now let us join. So now this is my atomic structure. So these are, as I told you, these are the protons, and under it these are neutrons, and side by side these are the electrons. Okay, thank you, hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.